sense to me during my live feed with my cow painting, I lost sound. So you miss a lot of the last part of that video, and I thought, you know, it might be worthwhile to do another video that you can hear the audio on. So if you missed out on the end of that video, feel free to watch this one. It's a much quicker video. You get the idea and you still have the resources there, but it'll just be a shorter journey and you can easily follow along.
The splatter technique is one that I've used for years. It's loose, it's fun, and it kind of gives your paintings a little bit of a different feel. As you can see, here's an example of one of probably my most popular paintings done in this technique. When I started this cow, I wanted to use complementary colors for this painting so it'd be nice and harmonious. I whipped out my handy dandy color wheel, which everyone should have one of these in their arsenal. Here I'm transferring the cow picture to my watercolor paper. I use pencil lead, color the back of that page, and then turn it over and tape it to my paper and transfer it. Once I've picked the colors that I'm going to use, I dip my brush in water and in pigment, and then I just splatter away, kind of like you're waving a wand. Then I start painting in the areas where there are not wet splatters, kind of working my way around, adding color to areas to kind of give this cow some definition. I'm painting in the eyes to make it look like it's looking at you. Sometimes it's a little weird not to paint in the eyes until the last because your painting looks a little alien. Then I'm painting the outside behind the cow. You can see I'm giving this line or the side of the face definition by painting in the background. I don't have to paint a line there to define the side of the face. I'm using the background to create that line. Here you can add more splattering to add a little more character. I hope you enjoyed this short, quick tutorial and got something out of it. If you liked this tutorial, give me a thumbs up. If you have questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. And if you want to see more of my content here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I release videos weekly, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.